Rugged Valley has been manufacturing canvas seat protection for 12 years now. Obviously we've scaled up and we've brought in technology and invested in machinery. Identification labels. So label number 1 obviously goes on to piece number 1, which is right here. And we just roll through. This is going into a 2015 Ford Ranger. Along with the standard colours of black and the grey, we also have a full range of custom colours which we can make the seat covers from. All of our seat covers are branded with the Rugged Valley logo, but we do also have the option to do the same system but in your own branding. This is a specified thread. In the event of an airbag exploding, it will split off and open up to allow the airbag to still go off and therefore keep you safe. The allowance is there for seat belts, for airbags. Child restraints are still accessible if the user wants them to be accessed. This has all been tailored to for the Ford Ranger, and we've got our panels here coming through. This has all been redesigned just to continue improving how our seat covers might fit and feel. We digitise it with this system here, and that brings us into a 1-to-1 scale which we can then transfer across to our CNC cutter.
We mainly stock the current models of utes, for example Toyota Hilux, which we have the 2010 to 2015 model. It's now since changed, which in the seats quite a lot has changed, so we have the 2016 onwards model. We also have the Ford Ranger PX2, PX3, Ford Ranger PX1 as well is also available. Isuzu D-Max, Holden Colorado, Mitsubishi Triton, so all the main brands of the utes. Black is certainly more serviceable if it's diesel, oil or grease, or slate grey hides the dirt better.
Obviously we've got our airbag seam here, which is all designed, but as you can see, the shape, it's just fitting, it's snugged in nice and tight, won't move around as you're hopping in and out. Then the Velcro straps would be running through under the seat